Oh my gosh, Lady T, I've had another nightmare. Help me. Oh, let's get that taken care of. Hi, this is Lady T, dream interpreter, spiritual coach, and author. I want to do a quick video this morning as I get started on the Master Cleanser. The Master Cleanser is a wonderful drink that you can make. It has 3 ingredients, and the purpose behind it is to detoxify your body. Here, the premise is when you have a healthy body, you will have healthy thoughts, and therefore you will have healthier dreams. And when I say healthy body, what I mean by that is you have to make sure that your body is getting adequate sleep, enough water, sunshine, good quality foods, enough fresh air and oxygen. That makes a healthy body. And that will spill over into your energy. It will spill over into your thoughts, how you feel about yourself, how you feel about life, and even into your nighttime dreams. Because your dreams are nothing more than your subconscious mind having a conversation with you. Having a conversation with you about the future, about how to heal your body, about your week, your day. It's talking to you about your hidden agendas or your hidden emotions. Your subconscious mind is having a conversation with you every night in the form of images and metaphors. And so when you detoxify your body, that would help to clear those thoughts on a deeper level, so therefore your dreams can come forth without a lot of anxiety and angst and fears attached to them. So let me do this. I will make the drink and record it, and I also talk about some of the other benefits that can be had from drinking the Master Cleanser. Okay, so come on and join me. The Master Cleanser was created by Stanley Burroughs in 1941. It became popular when Peter Glickman wrote a book in 2004. It became even more popular when Beyonce talked about it in one of her videos. But I've been using this since the early 1990s. I know that's like last century, right? It requires 3 ingredients: lemons, maple syrup, and cayenne pepper. And yes, I do have my grandmother's juicer, because you do want fresh lemon juice, not the stuff from the jar. And I have my grandmother's juicer. Even though I have a Vitamix, even though I have a Mr. Juice Man juicer, I still use my granny's 1970s juicer. So don't hate. Let me say, there have been no studies to prove that this is a detoxifier, but we know the power of lemons. All the science points to that. We know that cayenne pepper is an herb that speeds up the metabolism. It helps to curb the appetite, and it helps to burn calories. We know that maple syrup, which is your sweetener, we know that maple syrup has valuable minerals. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, so it eliminates inflammation in the body. And it's known to have, it can fight free radicals, antioxidants, that's the word. So even if this hasn't been proven to detoxify, this is very, very powerful. Use this, if for no other reason, use it to give your digestive system a rest. Don't eat food, and there's a whole regimen. I'll talk about that in just a second. But give your body the rest that it needs. When you do that, then you will minimize and eliminate even some of the symptoms that you're having with abdominal disorders and discomforts and bloating and leaky gut syndrome and fatigue. And when you are minimizing those problems, you can think clearer, you can sleep better, and therefore you will have better dreams. So Stanley Burroughs has a particular way that you're to do this. You should follow a regimen that requires you for 10 days to eat a particular way. You want to, and I don't follow it exactly. As a matter of fact, here I am adding ginger to mine because ginger is great for the digestive system. But you want to, for 10 days, you want to make sure that you are not eating food. So you start off by going to raw fruits and vegetables, and then soups, and then juices. And then you start the cleanser. And then when you get off the cleanser, you backtrack. You do soups, and then raw fruits and vegetables and juices. Ginger is so spicy. I absolutely love it. I've been doing this so long, I just use it as a way to help me when I want to fast, because I find that when I fast, I struggle with low blood sugar. And so I can go several days without eating if I have this Master Cleanser. But use it in whatever way serves you, and always, always consult with your doctor first, because I'm not a medical doctor. All right, well, there you go. Hopefully, I have inspired you to make this drink yourself. You see, it's very, very simple. But let me hear from you. I would love to hear, how often do you detoxify throughout the year? I know for me, I do it 4 times a year. I usually try to do it with the changing of the season. I would love to hear how often you detoxify, how often you cleanse, how often you fast, and have you noticed that your dreams change when you do that? That would be an interesting conversation. Share with us your experiences. Okay, so I have to get on with my day. Thank you for stopping by to listen. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share. Put this on your social media page. I would really appreciate that. This has been Lady T reminding you to wake up, tap in, tune out. Okay, I'm getting started. I need all the little children to settle down. Hi, this is Lady T, Dream Interpreter. Hey, quiet on the set. Are you guys doing your schoolwork? Quiet on the set. Hi, this is Lady T. Oh.